today is birthday ng husband ko. And dito na lang kami kakain ng lunch outside sa may park. Kasi kahapon nga, galing kami sa Universal Studios. So yan, dito kami magla-lunch today and Filipino food yung kakainin namin. Bumili lang kami ng Filipino food. So we're gonna eat Filipino food. Ooh.
What's Filipino food?
Ano ito? Pork steak. Pork steak.
Mommy,
Pork steak and sa kanya ay sisig.
American.
Hey, where's my spoon? Here. Try naman natin yung sisig. Sisig.
Hey, Dad.
Na mukhang
I'm
maanghang.
gonna sing happy birthday when you eat the cake now.
Okay. I would love that.
Ang sarap ng sisig.
Mommy, I wanna hear lonely.
Tapos na kami kumain. So, kakanta na tayo ng birthday. Meron tayong birthday cake dito. Tres leches. From Vallarta. Ah, ito cappuccino flavor. Ito
Party
cappuccino.
guy.
Cappuccino, tas ito. Ito ata yung classic na flavor
And
nila.
party guy is starting to go here.
Let's go!
Because party
Let's
guy
sing.
likes to
Hey,
party.
quiet. They're gonna
Sing.
sing. Buksan muna natin.
Wait.
I don't even sing the come on.
Wait lang. Dito ko kasi tayo.
With my pambabae na ano.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Ayaw mo kasi bumili. Meron naman sa Shopee. Okay, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, spin.
Guess. Ow!
Kiss me. Wait lang. How are you? Kiss me. Hug me. I wanna hug. Come on.
Ilang taon ka na, B?
30.
36.
Plus 30 plus 8.
No, hindi 36 lang.
Ay, 36 na ba? Okay. What's your birthday wish for Daddy, Chloe?
My birthday wish is just relax.
Oh,
Just
that'd be nice.
What's your wish, Daddy? What's your wish, Dad? What's your wish?
Can I have maybe a secret?
No, you have to say it.
You have to
Para
say
magkatao, you have to say
Well,
it.
my wish is, we live comfortable and be able to pay all the bills without stressing too much. That's it.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't need anything else. I don't want anything else.
Yeah, my wish on my birthday is
Dahil
I
din sa'yo
want
ang
to have my
first
baby
subo.
sister.
Hindi ko may sakao.
Ano na?
Parang condensed na lang.
Parang malaki na lang.
This.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Ito talaga. Naalala ko talaga. Kahit alam mo na hindi.
Chloe can do dishes here on the beach. And your dress? Thank you, your dress. So cute. Okay. And your hairstyle. Ooh. Okay, thank you.
have fun.
Okay, check natin si Chloe. Are you okay, Chloe?
Where are we?
Are you okay?
But where are we? No.
I don't know. We just passed by
The riverside.
Lake
now,
Elsinore.
Going to, yeah.
Oh my God, it looks like we're on top of a desert.
What?
It looks like we're on top of a desert.
Parang nakakatakot mag-drive dito pag gabi. Dito ka nakatira. Ikaw, kamusta ka na?
Ayos lang. Masakit sa ulo. Mainit. Hindi tayo sa init. Nasa
Hey, Dad.
100 degrees right now.
Dad. Dad.
Please avoid blind spots. Oh my God.
We're at 100 degrees right now.
Lumabas kami kanina eh. Nagpunta kami sa mall. Bumili lang kami ng snack. Sobrang init. Hindi naman sobra-sobra, pero mainit siya. Parang mga Pinas na level ng init. Mga ilang ano pa tayo oras biyahe? 40 minutes pa. Papunta kami sa ano, Rancho. Ay, sa may LA banda. Ay, buti may mga spot na may ano, na may puno, no? Sana lahat ganyan, ano? Kasi tingnan nyo, grabe yung bundok ko. Oh my God, hindi ko alam kung nakikita sa camera, pero grabe, puro bundok lang na walang puno. Pero maganda, masarap siya sa mata. Pag nagra-road trip ka, kasi wala namang ganito sa Pinas eh. Kaya maganda siya tignan. Saka ang lawak ng kalsada. Ontario, Corona. Ay, no, ang ganda ng view, no? Ang ganda niya pag may snow, no? Chloe, look at the mountain! Ang ganda niya, grabe. Super ganda.
Mommy, why are they building in the middle of nowhere?
Malapit na pala to sa ano, sa LA, sa Anaheim. 28 minutes na lang tinignan ko sa maps kanina. Itong Corona. Kaya pala, ano, mahali mga bahay. Pag nakakadaan kasi kami sa mga kung saan sa ang bahay, nire-research namin kung magkano yung bahay. Mahal pala dito sa Corona. Anyway, kaya naman pala may mga establishment na, no? Hindi na siya. Kanina kasi parang ano eh, parang nasa ano ka, ano ba tawag doon? Basta yung parang nasa wala ka. Nakakatakot. Pero ito ano na siya, mukha na siyang city.
Barstow. Yeah, Barstow.
Ayan, marami na ulit mga establishment, bahay. Ay, ayoko na may katabing truck. Ayan. Oh, what a view.
Have love for me. If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me?
Daddy! Oh my God! Get that. Hey, Dad, go where? Go where?
Mhm. May kainan kaya dito?
Huh?
May kainan kaya malapit?
Di ba Dunkin'
The
Donuts?
perfect size. The perfect one. Ah! I'm so proud of myself.
We're here na.
There's a TV. It's kind of small, but it's okay.
Ah, arte.
Yeah, microwave.
Oh, meron. That's good.
It's got
Ay, yung
the
food ni Chloe, asan?
Yeah.
Ayan ba yan? Hindi yan food eh. Anyway, we're here
No,
na.
I put it on my toy.
Maganda naman yung hotel.
Mom, I put it on one of the bags, Mom.
Right here.
I put it on
Okay.
the bags.
Ito parang first time mag-hotel. Hey girl, your bed is like that din, no? Sa bahay.
No, it's not.
It is! Ayoko na nga doon, sobrang lambot na eh.
Mommy, just try to jump here. It's like
Here's the CR. It's not bad. Okay naman yung CR. Maayos. And then, here's the bed. And here's the master. Para sa kanya yung hotel, pero dito siya.
Mommy.
Dito siya sa...
I'm gonna stay here, Mom.
Ang tawag dyan sa sofa bed.
hotelier co-founder of Google Habitat.
That's it.
We are now
Ito table for workspace.
member of Design Hotels.
Yeah. Looks good. Let's go, Chloe. Oh, so nice. No, hindi tayo dyan nakapark. Doon. Ay, may fa. Ay, may sola sa loob. Lumabas lang kami saglit. Check namin kung anong mga makakainan dito.
Daddy keeps on messing with me.
Okay naman na yung weather. Hindi na siya sobrang init. There's a fa. Ooh. Ayan pa naman yung kinikrave ko. Sobrang tagal na. Ayan. Banh mi, tsaka Vietnamese coffee. And then may food court daw dyan. Dire-diretso lang. There's a massage, spa.
Mom,
Nakakatakot.
you wanna go there? Mom, you wanna go there?
No, I don't want.
Mom, it's gonna be super relaxing, Mom.
Takot kasi ako magpa-massage pagka hindi ko familiar yung lugar. Anyway. Check natin sa dulo kung anong mga kainan meron dito.
Mommy, that's gonna be so relaxing, please.
Ganda ng view. Ooh, mountains. Yeah.
Daddy,
Oops.
Daddy, we have to go. Mama,
That's where we are staying.
to this hotel, Mama.
Then we go.
And there's a steakhouse.
Feed the
Sushi
fish and then
house.
go back here.
Huh?
Basket
Basket na?
na lang.
No.
Nandito kami sa Walmart. Bili lang ng ibang supplies.
No? Okay. I'm here in a minute.
Walang katao-tao yung Walmart. Nasa bahay na ba sila lahat? Or what? Aga pa ha, 7 p.m. pa lang.
Sa akin, pack the Walmart this time.
Yeah.
Any day.
Go, get a biscuit na.
Wala yung chip ako na puti. Ano?
Ano yan? May ganun ba?
Yung kulay puti.
Kulay puti. Ah, yung white yung nasa loob. Cups.
Hindi
Ayun.
naman na kailangan kasi bottled water.
Oo, wag na. Yeah. So, ayan. Bumili tayo ng bread, mga disposable spoon, fork, plates, milk, coffee. Ayun yung mga nabili namin. And antok na kami parehas dalawa. So, bibili na lang kami ng food and then we're gonna go back sa hotel. Okay? Okay? Is that your sleepy face?
Sleepy.
Okay. Yan. Meron silang Seafood City dito, guys.
Which
Ayan.
means madaming
Oh,
Pilipino
Seafood
dito.
City, Jollibee, and Red Ribbon. Actually, nagpunta kami dito para sa Red Ribbon. Unlocked! Ay, ang daming kainan! Ah, ito pala yung malaking Seafood
Sa
City.
loob pala yung ano. Mas madami pa siguro Pinoy dito.
Kaysa sa
Kaysa
atin.
doon.
Jollibee. Jollibee. And Seafood City.
You can play with that. Dada!
Eat her routine.
Hold up.
Go.
Oh,
Oh,
akala namin, wala masyadong Pilipina dito. It turns out, ang laki ng Seafood City. Mas malaki pa kaysa sa Seafood City sa amin. Kasi Jollibee, Red Ribbon.
Hey, oh.
So this is Filipino community area dito.
That's
LA
good.
na kasi.
We're back na, guys. And kain na tayo ng Jollibee.
Mom,
So, meron tayong burger steak, chicken, rice, and yung baon naming sinigang.
Mommy, I saved some space for me.
Let's eat Filipino food. Hi guys! Meron ako na-meet na YouTuber din dito sa Rancho Cucamonga na nanonood din sa atin. Hi sis! Pasensya na, nahihiya ako makipag-usap. At saka sayang di tayo nakapag-picture and video. Kasi naman di pa ako naliligo sis. Nagkataon nung nakita mo kami, hindi pa ako naliligo. Kakalabas lang namin ng hotel. Kasi nga, andito lang kami for training ng work ng husband ko. And ayun, nagpunta kami sa Seafood City and doon ko siya nakita. Hi sis! And yan, sana makapagkita tayo ulit dito next time nang prepared naman ako. Anyway, nakakaloka yung nangyari sa amin dito sa car. Nasira pa yung car namin kung kailan andito kami. Ang layo namin sa San Diego. Ayan, nasira yung car. Buti na lang kaya ayusin to ng husband ko. Pero binaklas niya, nakakatakot. Ayan, oh. Binaklas niya.
Mommy, I wanna
Oh my God, ano nangyari dyan? May something daw na natanggal or what eh. Nag-aayos naman siya ng car, so kaya niya
Mommy,
yun.
I wanna see, Mom.
I'll show it to you later, ha?
Okay.
So, yun. Ang saya kasi may na-meet tayo na YouTuber din dito sa may Rancho Cucamonga and wala lang, ang saya. Hi sis! Kung nanonood ka man, hello. Sayang di talaga tayo nakapag-video. Anyway, ayun nga. Sana maayos na tong car namin. Siguro it's time na rin to let go to. Kasi nakakaloka. Paano kung ako yung nagdadrive nito? Ito pa naman yung dinadrive ko minsan. Paano kung ako yung nagdadrive nito tapos nasira siya, di ba? Hindi ko to alam ayusin. Paano gagawin ko kung tumirik to or what? So, yun. Baka it's time na to look for a new car. Yan yung kailangan natin gawin siguro sa susunod. What did you say?
You know, I'm gonna cry when I let go this car.
Why?
Because I'm gonna miss this car.
Aww. You're gonna miss this car, but I think we need to get a new one eh. Kasi, look oh, it's broken. Eh, nakakatakot kapag yung hindi ka naman marunong...
Now, Mommy, I'm gonna
Hey! Don't cry! It's not yet happening. That's just a plan. Ayun nga, nakakaloka kung ako yung nagdadrive, diba? Tapos nasira siya. Dahil di naman ako maalam sa cars. Diyos ko, di pa nga ako ganun. Ayan na siya.
Daddy, I'm gonna
I got a
Daddy,
park.
I'm gonna cry.
Meron na? Nakabili ka? Saan?
Daddy, I'm gonna cry when I
Ito pala yung natanggal, guys. Parang earplugs. Ayan.
Pushing.
Tingnan natin kung maayos niya mamaya.
Just in case, at least nandun na tayo.
Just in case sumabog.
Hindi sa abo. Na make it work.
I'm gonna cry when I let go.
Ayun o, ganda-ganda ng bundok. Tignan mo naman, ang ganda. Nagkakasnow kaya sa taas niyan kapag winter. Ganda eh, no? What a view! Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda ng mountain view. 2, 3, go!
Daddy fixing cars. Daddy fixing cars. Daddy fixing cars.
Missy girl. Did it fix it?
Daddy fixing.
No, we didn't. It broke.
Nah, my car is broken now. Oh, I can't sing, my car is broken tonight. I can't sing up to the night. Mom, what's making you laugh?
It's well, your dad is stressing out.
Yeah,